Now बच्चे start session 3. Session 3 is primary and secondary memory. What is the meaning of primary and secondary memory? Memory means where we store data. Primary and secondary memory. We will describe the computer system by drawing analogy with the human mind. Just as humans think computers think with their processing devices. Just as human need to remember facts for its various needs to be used to human, the computer also needs to remember facts. Now computer stores facts within its memory. For technical reasons, there are two kind of memory that our computer memory is divided into two parts. These are primary memory and secondary memory. Now what is the meaning of primary memory? Primary memory is a basically electronic memory. Its subparts are RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory and ROM means read only memory. These memories hold data only while the computer is on. Also, RAM is directly and quickly accessible by the computer. All data that have to be worked upon by the computer have to be brought into the primary memory. Specifically, RAM and ROM is also important. It stands for read-only memory. Some preliminary steps from booting up of the computer are read from the ROM. Now secondary memory.